Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about aligning and moving nodes, but then I started thinking you could do a specified point with a object. So I'm going to set that object there, and then I'm going to select all the other objects, holding down the Shift key and selecting this one, and I'm going to have them align to that line that I put the object on. So we can do the same thing we did earlier with the nodes. I can click right here and specify an object or a line. And now this time I'm going to have them aligned to that indexing line. I'm going to align to the right. Well, I didn't have them selected. You need to select them to have them go there. That's pretty cool. So you could, you could just make up you don't have to have an indexing line. You could bring in an indexing line for that reason and then specify a new point and put it on that edge. And this time, let's put them in the center of that box, or the center of that line. It'll align them all in that particular spot. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.